পাওয়ার গ্রিড কোম্পানি অফ বাংলাদেশ লিমিটেড পিজিসিবি জব সার্কুলার পাবলিশ করেছে। তো সার্কুলারটি পাবলিশ করা হয়েছে যুগান্তর পত্রিকায় 7 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2021 খ্রিস্টাব্দ তারিখে। তো এই ভিডিও থেকে পিজিসিবি এর জব সার্কুলারটির বিস্তারিত দেখব। চলুন তাহলে ভিডিওটি শুরু করি। অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ইঞ্জিনিয়ার স্যালারি রেঞ্জ গ্রেড হচ্ছে স্যালারি গ্রেড 7, বেসিক 50,000 টাকা, মানে ইলেকট্রিক্যাল অ্যান্ড ইলেকট্রনিক্স 48, সিভিল 5, মেকানিক্যাল 4, কম্পিউটার 2, নাম্বার অফ পোস্ট 59, qualification at least graduate in electrical and electronic, CSC, civil, mechanical engineering subject from any university recognized by Bangladesh government and UGC. Sub assistant engineer salary grade 8, basic 35,000, electrical 150, electronics 14, civil 16, mechanical 12, computer 4, power 4, number of post এখানে আছে 200, qualification at least diploma in electrical, electronics, civil, mechanical, power, computer technology from any polytechnic institute recognized by Bangladesh Technical Education Board. Total post এখানে আছে 259. Then educational eligibility for all category. Any third division or class or equivalent at any stage of the academic career shall not be acceptable. Candidate pass in the grading system must possess at least a CGPA or GPA 3.5 on a scale of 5, or CGPA or GPA 2.5 on a scale of 4.0, and pass in the conventional system class or division must passes at least second class or division. Any degree obtained from outside of Bangladesh will be eligible with the approval of the concerned authority of Bangladesh. And other qualification, candidate have the ability to demonstrate strong participatory leadership and have a strong communication skill in Bengali and English, written and oral, including working experience using computer. Age limit, maximum age limit will be 30 years on 7 February 2021. In case of freedom fighter son or daughter, grandson or granddaughter, the age limit will be 32 years, and for the PGCB departmental candidate age will be relaxed up to 40 years. Salary package for all position, basic salary, house rent, medical, conveyance and other allowance will be provided as per PGCB pay scale 2016. In addition to the above, company pays 2 festival bonus and Bengali New Year allowance 20% of basic in a year, and provide contributory provident fund, group insurance, leave encashment, annual increment, gratuity, etc. benefit as per service rule of PGCB. Income tax is payable by the employee. Terms and condition for application. Interested candidate have to apply through the online application form, wherein a scanned color photograph and signature of the candidate have to be inserted in due place. The online application will be available in pgcb.teletalk.com.bd or pgcb.gov.bd during application period from 7 February 2021 to 7 March 2021. Please read the following instruction carefully before applying online and give feedback confirming okay as per your requisition. Those who have recently appeared in the educational examination of above mentioned qualification and did not get their certificate need not to apply for the position. The applicant has to pay 1,000 each through SMS from any Teletalk mobile connection following necessary instruction mentioned in pgcb.gov.bd or pgcb.teletalk.com.bd. Candidate employed in government, semi-government autonomous organization or company owned by government have to submit a hard copy of online application through proper channel to General Manager P&A Power Grid Company of Bangladesh Limited PGCB Bhavan Aftabnagar Barta Dhaka 1212. As per company service rules, appointment shall be regularized by satisfactory performance evaluation report, police verification report, satisfactory result in departmental foundation training course. A panel of the successful candidate for future appointment will be prepared through the selection process and it will remain valid for 1 year from the date of ফার্স্ট অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট। তো এটাই ছিল পিজিসিবি এর জব সার্কুলারটি। ধন্যবাদ।